Dude.
What? My mail runner.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Rob's 12s are here.
Yeah.
Whoop. Oh yeah. DC audio level 312 for Rob's truck. This is gonna be a good unboxing right here. Now, I promised Rob if he took good care of his system for 6 months to a year, I would upgrade his level 1s up to level 3s. Because nothing sucks more than hooking somebody up proper and then the next month all their shit's stolen or gone and they just don't care. But Rob took good care of his system, so I'm gonna upgrade them. But since I had to pay for these things, I'm gonna do an unboxing video and put it on my channel. So here we go. Oh yeah. Trusty steak knife. Can't wait to see what these level 3s look like compared to those level 1s. Look at this. Oh, we got stickers. Love stickers. Look at this. Oh, look at that. I say it's time to get all 4 of them out of their boxes. Brando, we got 3 DC stickers for the shrine. Alright, the box didn't really come with any literature, but going to the DC Audio website, I see this is a 900 watt RMS woofer. So, they will be slightly underpowered. That's okay. So I'd love to hook this thing up and flex the crap out of it right now, but my test bench isn't ready. It's not hooked up. It doesn't look the way I want it to look. That's gonna be next. I'm definitely getting that done soon. There's no problems, I just haven't gotten around to it yet. But Rob, if you're out there, somewhere out there in YouTube land, hit me up. We need to put these things in. I got you.
Thrashing, flexing, borderline perplexing. Your girl said she loved me, told me this while we was texting. I know feelings get you killed. In the crib I keep a weapon. I'm from Stockton, California, but in Mars is where I'm stepping out. Standing above the level that they fly. Swear they coming for my neck, but I know that that's a lie. Cause you bluffing, you a bitch. I can see it in your eyes. In mine you see the struggle of the hustle and the grind. My homie hit me, he said my G, it's about that time. You should be this, you should be that, you should be signed.
This guy sucks.